What's going on YouTube? Just got back to the house after coming from um, Delta Sonic Car Wash, and this is what I found. This is what I found. My tail light hanging out. It broke off from the clips. As you can see, the part of the clips are still in there. You know, could have been just old and worn out, but I don't know, man. Yeah, I would call back up there, and tell them about it, but I don't have time for all that stuff. And plus, I found the guy offer up with some stock lights, so I'm just gonna grab those. I ain't trying to make no big deal of it. I could call back up there, complain, but like I said, I like that car wash, and I mean they didn't cause too much damage. Now I say if it was dented up and they knocked my bump off, and then that's a more expensive repair, so of course I would call up that in, but. I found the guy for offer up that's gonna sell me some lights for $20. So I'm gonna go grab those and slap them on. Was gonna order some off I believe it was Amazon or eBay. They like 45 or $50, but then I gotta wait probably 5 days to get them. I don't want to be walking, driving around without a tail light. So go ahead, get that and slap it on today. So I'm waiting for this guy to respond. So see what time I can pick it up. I mean, he wanted like $35, but it been for sale for a while, for 2 months. So he said he'd give it to me for $20. So I'm gonna take that, man. I'm gonna take that and run with it. So if it ain't one thing, it's another. So let me go run and grab these, pick up these lights. It's like a 30-minute drive from me, but like I said, it's still better than 5 days. Time is money. I can't be sitting for no 5 days waiting on no lights and have this hanging out because it's kind of bothering me. Who wanna keep coming out and seeing a truck with a tail light hanging or missing? So I'm gonna go grab these lights, man, and I'm gonna come back, put them in, and or whatever. So when they go picked up the lights, I mean they are pretty much good condition. I probably just like clean them up, throw some plastic wax or whatever that stuff they get called for headlights. No, we just throw some regular wax on it just to clean them up. But I mean, for the most part though, they're in pretty good, decent shape. I mean, it's an old truck, so see, got the tabs on there. I think these tabs be drying out over time anyway. But Delta Sunday, they still need to adjust something on that car wash because I heard this happened to a few people with these Tahoes. I don't know if if it's a defect, the way they just make it is just old, or because I heard it happened to a few people and they all had Tahoes. But like I said, I ain't gonna cry about it, man. That's a cheap fix. Ain't no sense of going up there clowning or filling out no report pallets. I mean, I ain't gonna worry about it. Time is money, so take care of that. So, so go ahead, throw those on there. Take the other ones out and throw those on there, whatever. So let me go get what I need. I think there's two Phillips screws. Let me go get a Phillips screwdriver, and we'll get to it. Yeah, if you guys never took these tail lights out before, if you like open the tailgate, it's 2 Phillips screws, 1 and what else on there? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, this other one is 2. So yeah, let me go ahead and put down this camera and take that out and remove these screws and take these headlights out. I mean these tail lights. So Yeah, I want to show y'all as I was taking the other one out. These end up breaking off. They was real brittle. So I guess over time, it turned brittle. Then by the car wash shaking the back of the thing, they end up just coming loose, I guess. So I like these though. That all it is one plug. You just unplug them, plug them back up. Just make sure all the light bulbs and stuff work on the other one. Yeah. So let me go grab these lights so I can unplug this, pop it back in. So I'll go ahead and get out of here. Got a lot of stuff to do today. Yeah, I ran into a slight little problem. Put the new ones on, and it wasn't working. No bulbs. I don't think the guy maybe took all the bulbs out, transferred them up to the other one when he got them. I don't know, but instead of just taking them out, putting the bulbs in here, I'm just gonna take them off of here. See, you got like two little bolts on there. 1, 2, with the lights on there. So I'm just gonna take them off the old ones and mount them onto the new ones, so that way I ain't gotta worry about taking them out, pulling all the bulbs out. Just transfer the little thing over, mount them on there. I don't know if I can. I got to search for my little socket that'll fit these. I don't know if that's a 5mm, 4.5, but I seen my needle nose in there, so I'm just gonna take my needle nose off and switch them over. Make that real quick. So I got the bulbs. I switched everything out. I switched the whole piece out with the bulbs on the other one. See, like both of these, for some reason, that I bought was missing a bulb on there. And then a couple of the bulbs blown, so that's the reason why it wasn't working. So switch that out. Let me go ahead and pop these on there, screw them back in, and I'll be done with this. Final results. Lights are in. I mean, my last one was smoke, but I think I like these better, so I'm gonna stick with these. I like these better than smoke. But end result, they both of them in, everything working. So yeah, only thing that was different, it was the one of the bulbs on my old ones was out, and I didn't know about it. My turn signal, which was the arrow wasn't lighting up on the dash when I turned left, so that was the problem, the bulb. So got everything changed. When I get out of here, go wash it up, clean these lights, wax them, and that's it. Check out my channel, like, subscribe, share, and be safe out there, man. Later.